Tonight I'm replacing the passenger side hood hinge cover on this 2013 Honda Fit. It's a small plastic trim piece that covers the hood hinge on the right side of the vehicle. The plastic clip that holds it is broken and the entire part has departed. If yours came off because the small clip is broken but you still have the trim piece in good condition, it can be put back on with a new clip. Mine is gone, so I'll be replacing the entire part. Our 21st century plastic cars are made to snap together at the factory, but it's unlikely that this part could be removed without breaking the clip. To get it off without breaking would require squeezing the clip from the back side, which is not accessible on an assembled vehicle. You might, however, be able to score one from your local pick-your-own-parts junkyard if the backside is accessible on the donor. It's an inexpensive part, so it's simple enough to just pick a new one out of the mailbox. This is the little clip on the new trim piece. It just slides into the trim piece. The other end snaps into a hole in the fender. Part of the old broken one is what's still stuck in the fender. Some glass cleaner shines up the spot where the new trim piece will go. I'll remove the broken trim piece. Caution is required. It's very close to the windshield and I wouldn't want to bump the window glass with the vice grips and create a bigger problem. And there's the broken piece. The new piece is held on by that replaceable plastic clip which fits in a round hole in the fender, and another clip molded into the part itself. These parts fit into the hole in the fender and a slot in the cowl cover. A length at the top of the trim piece fits under the upper part of the fender. It snaps right into place. Easier done than said. And there's that beautiful new part. Here's the part number if you're interested. There's kind of a trough at the cowl area that collects the weather. I suspect the hinge cover was broken from some enthusiastic ice scraping last winter. If you liked the video or find it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you're so inclined. Thanks for watching.